Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again to another video. Hope all of you guys, as always, are having a beautiful day. Much love, so much peace, and great abundance be with you always, always, always. In this video, we're going to get a little more raw because I know you guys can handle some raw truth. And let's just get into it. So, what is it going to take for people to wake up? Like, as far as the masses, or even yourself, what is it going to take for each individual one of us to fully, sincerely be like, you know what? I want to know who I am. I want to know what this divine God is. Like right now, I want to know right now. What is it going to take for someone to have that deep, deep, deep yearning? And for most people that get to that level, you know, a lot of people from a very young age, they just, I guess you can say they were just born with that sense of wanting to know. And they, since at a young age, they gravitated towards that. That's kind of what happened with me. I would gravitate to just do things that felt good to my heart. I would gravitate to caring. I would gravitate to loving. I would gravitate to ask questions of, why things aren't, fair, and why do people suffer. So you can say some people are just born more with that yearning, and some people are not. And some people even say that not everybody's gonna wake up, not everybody's gonna get to meet their true self in this lifetime. And some of it might be true and some of it might not be true, because I always come back to this space that we are not different. We're all source playing different roles. So we are not far away from divine. We're not far away from our true self. So everybody has the same equal, intense yearning in their heart. But why did I ask, what is it going to take for those people that didn't, feel gravitational towards their heart? And is it going to be just plain and simply more suffering? Is that what it's going to take? Are people just going to have to just suffer more to really, really, really want to not suffer anymore and then wake up? Is that really the answer for most people? That they just, frankly, just need to suffer more? So that way they can be like, okay, I suffered enough. I'm ready to know the truth. I'm ready to not suffer anymore. What do you guys feel in your hearts? Because I'm ready. I'm ready to live openly, carefree, openly giving all my heart and all my love and building something, or whatever it is that our pureness and pure conscience and pure divine expression grounded here in this physical form, heaven on earth, whatever that's gonna look like. I'm ready for that. And I know that many of you guys are ready for that. And I don't want it to get to the point where, collectively or individually, we just have to suffer more. There's no point. There's no point for any more of that when we can just, like, everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants to be loved. Everybody wants to be cared for. Everybody, these are fundamentals that everybody wants in their heart. When they wake up, nobody wants to wake up and experience, someone punching them in the face, or someone stealing something from them, or someone violating them in any type of way. No one wants to wake up and have to, walk through all kinds of mud and, you know, deal with hate every day. No one's waking up to be like, hey, I'm hoping that today is a bad day, and no one wants that. So this is just all funny. Like, this whole experience is so funny, how we play these roles and, you know, go into these suffering stages. And, yes, part of it is there for a reason, of course. We need that contrast of light, and dark, so we can appreciate the light with some of the dark. But I don't think we need to go into full darkness so that people can realize, like, oh, hey, I don't want to be here no more. I want to, you know, be feeling, nurtured and being with all my brothers and sisters and all of this sorts of goodness that exists eternally right here, right now. There's no need for anyone to feel any type of fear, any type of negative, down, depressed, confused, despair, depression. There's no need for that anymore. I think everybody, being born out, we've all gone through a great deal of things. And, even more so with technology, like, this camera and the internet and your computer or your phone that allows us to connect in these ways. Information is being transferred and, being received at an instant. And, we are learning so much through each other. And, even the past of all our errors that we've committed and gone through. And my point with all of that is we've learned all our lessons, and we've seen what can happen if we don't, follow from our heart. And, many of you guys that watch my videos and, are on this path, most likely you guys are good. Actually, probably all of you guys are good. And now I'm putting it out there so that we can all now fully just let our hearts, carry our hearts on our sleeve. So that way your neighbors, your coworkers, everybody around you starts to really see the great person that you are. And they start to get inspired by you, and they start to get uplifted by you and ask to dive deeper, because they see how great you are and how beautiful of a soul that you are. And, not get to the point where, people have to suffer more to finally want to wake up. So we're charging it up, we're amplifying it, we're really grounding pure conscience and pure love here in this physical reality. We are, you could say, like, Neo from the Matrix. And, just the Matrix is pretty much just the mental paradigm and the mental ego that everybody collectively plays. That's the Matrix. And we're breaking the Matrix by being our true self and really, really bearing our hearts out. Sincerely, truly, just, just you being you and not being afraid for you to be you. You being you and not being, scared, because there is no fear. You don't have this ego, mental, thing going on in your experience no more. Because I know most of you that have been watching my videos have cleared so much of their, traumas and fears and whatever was there that was blocking you from you being truly free and pure love. So let's do this. I'm so ready. I'm so ready to just hug everybody in the streets. I'm so ready to just, have these long, deep, heartfelt conversations with everybody. I'm so ready to like meet people physically for the first time, but be with them like if I've known them all my life in full trust. I'm ready for all these things. I'm ready for all these like illusions and separations to be gone. So with that, I'm sending so much love to you guys again. As always, namaste, much love, peace always be with you. Amitabha. Peace.